What is good, chat? I wanted. Oh fuck. There we go. I wanted to record this. I have a trade going right now. Um, and this is gonna be my first kind of trading recap. Um, and I want to kind of show you what I'm working with right now. I'm 14. Um, and I found trading, and we've been at it for who knows how long. Honestly, I have no idea how long I've been at it, to be honest. Maybe a month and a half or maybe 2 months so far. But we have this beautiful setup here. Um, we have a we had a this high over here. Didn't quite reach it, but um we had a bigger structure retracement hit a consolidation phase order block, you could say. Reacted off of it, retested this price where it obviously got dismissed, went over it, reacted off of the um, retest, and we broke structure right here. And I was like, I am so confident that this bitch is gonna go down that I'm just gonna enter off of the breakage structure, which goes against my trading plan because I wait for a retracement. But we did see a little bit of a retracement on this 1 minute time frame. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you this trade, and I will update you um, when it's finished. But yeah, this is the intro. Intro incoming. Okay, don't be weirded out. Of course I don't have a shirt on. You're gonna see that a lot. But um my name is Jet, and this is my start of trading. And my camera won't focus, of course, because it's cheap, but um I wanted to this is the first kind of trading recap type of thing that I wanted to show you guys, and my first video, you know what I mean? So, if I don't upload this, then you'll probably see it in the future when I actually do start YouTube. But this is our first kind of trade that we're gonna record. So, um, hope you enjoy. And this is what the trade is looking like. It's I didn't follow my trading plan. I didn't. But I was so confident that it was going to go down that I just entered. So I think it's valid. If I do say myself, we can look at my trading history. This is a demo account. But if you get freaked out by the number, like I'm not a 14-year-old making 3 bands, but um, we've been on a losing streak. It's been bad, like really bad. Like I'll show you this shit. It's been bad. But we're at the start. We've been a month and a half in, 2 months. This is what happens. This is why I'm not trading with real money yet. You know what I mean? I've de-risked, as you can see, one band, 800. I've been trading with 1%. I used to trade with two, uh, like back ago, like this. Like I lost 1.8, 1.9, 2, um, and then boom. I'm trading with normally 2% of the account, but not. That's what I did with this trade. I'm trading with 2% because I'm so confident that it was actually gonna go down. Um, and actually, I was prepared to put more risk on the table because if it went in withdraw, which I didn't wait for it in the beginning, I was gonna raise it up all the way to like up there. So I was okay losing a lot on this, but um, as you can see, there I trade on 5 minute. Um, we had this breaker strike to the upside, turnaround, breaker strike to the downside, retracement, and then we had this order block get touched and a reaction off of it. Um, and we also might have a reaction off this. So I don't know if this trade is going to end up, crashing all the way down, but because we're still not past this point, but it got rejected off of this um, order block or this consolidation phase, um, and then it came back up, retested this high, uh, broke, and in around here, I was looking at it and I was like, okay, well if this is wants to come and retest this high, then I think it will be a perfect short. So I did wait for that, and it looks like it is. But I didn't follow my trading plan. Um, but let me tell you how I entered it. We can go on the 1 minute right now, or we can even go on the 5 minute. Right around here when it broke, we see a reaction off with these wicks. It was a very quick reaction. You see this long wick. Um, and I was like, I'm oh, that's just amazing. Web chat, display capture. What the fuck? Wait, I'm gonna get this sorted out. Okay, we're back. I think it works now. Yeah. Okay. Now I have to explain this entire trade again. I think I've done it fucking 3 times. Had a little bit of a problem, but now it's fixed. Let's explain this again. Okay, we see a consolidation phase. Um, we came up, and then we broke structure to the downside. Little retracement here, and then we came down and touched this low and a consolidation phase that we previously said. Um, so this consolidation phase made this price action or order block, you could say an order block or a consolidation phase. It reacted off of it and came up and retested this high, and then we see a reaction off of it, breaking structure to the downside. And then we had these. I was looking at it, waiting for it to come back and give us a retracement. So I did go against my trading plan. I did, but I was so confident that this was gonna go down, and I didn't want to, you know, because sometimes the market is just dumb, and when you have something like this happening, and it's a perfect setup, you can just kind of use common sense and your experience that you have in the market to kind of just determine if it's gonna work out or not. You know what I mean? But we see these long wicks on this break of structure, which on the 1 minute it does give us a retracement, not a valid one. Order block, it didn't fill through. Um, there was no fair value gap. Didn't come up and touch any highs. But I saw that and I was like, man, this looks like it's gonna dump. And I said, fuck it. And I went in for 2% of my account, and that's about what I'm using a position calculator. Yeah, 1-4, 1-4. So we have 2% of the account on this, but as you can see though, I'll show you. We're up 2 grand. This is a demo account. Not trading real money yet. You'll understand why in about 2 seconds. One, 2. Yeah, you can see a lot of red. I've been um pretty bad with the trades, and I'm just starting out. So, but I am 14, almost turning 15, and I'm getting into it. But now we're getting a reaction. It's this shit. It's this position size. We'll probably start like it's 8. I think stuff is coming in the um I don't even fucking know what that is, to be honest. But where you got in a reaction, we feel this fair value gap right now. Um, you're not supposed to chart after you place a trade, but we filled it, and we're getting a reaction off of it, off of this candle, which we still have 4 minutes left on. So this could just fucking, I mean, there's a lot of momentum right now. This could just plummet. Um, but yeah, this trade looks amazing right now. This is where I would be entering if if I waited for a retracement on the 5 minute. So sometimes following your instincts is good. It's especially when you see a perfect setup like this. Um, you want to, just if you lose, you lose. If you win, you win big. You know what I mean? It's a little more risky, but especially on the 5 minute when you're getting these crazy like movements or trends sometimes you don't get a retrace all the way until it starts to turn around, you know what I mean? So I entered a little early and I was ready to take the loss if it wanted to go and withdraw, and I was ready for it to actually go in the withdraw and then drop, which sometimes I do all the time. Like I enter early, goes in withdraw, and then it's my take profits. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys the trade that I took today. I thought it was a little sign of my growth, um, and I can explain how this moves. This just gave me an amazing entry I should not be missing out on. So right on New York session open too. I'm just a little confused. London session, does it open at 2? Because I go off of Chicago. I live in Missouri at this time. Um, but I am in Chicago time frames, which is different than New York or Florida or any of that. So I just don't know if London session starts at 2, Asian session starts at 18. Um, that's the only thing I'm a little confused about. But yeah, I'll let you know how this trade is going in when it ends. That's when I'll see you next. Hopefully, um, it worked. Hopefully, the um, the recording worked because there was something wrong with my display capture right here, as you can see. I went into properties and I had it on automatic, and it wasn't capturing my screen, so I had to change it. But that I'll let you know how the trade's looking when it's finished.